I'd have to say the biggest takeaway from the classes I've taken halfway through my MIT program is realizing the importance of the psychology of e-learning. Instructional design needs to pay careful attention to reducing cognitive load in learners. The theory that less is more needs to be carefully considered when developing your instructional design. Reading the rules for e-learning was an eye-opener, which really got me thinking about how I presented my content electronically in class. I realized that I was guilty of breaking the important rule against cognitive overload due to an overabundance of media in my presentations. I do go a little overboard at times on the eye candy with too many images, many of which are moving images, which likely distract and therefore slow up learning. It should not be made for entertainment, which can be detrimental to the learning process. Looking at the slide, you were probably very distracted, possibly even dizzy, and have likely forgotten everything I've said up to this point. The bells and whistles must avoid distraction and only be used to achieve meaningful learning. Strategic selection, organization, and integration of words, narration, and images to make sense of the content is key to essential processing. Make sure words, images, and narration are clear, concise, and properly located or timed in your slide. Any confusion caused by the proximity of text to its related image requires the learner to scan the slide, which results in incidental processing. Even simple background music to a video can distract and cause incidental processing. Can you imagine if I added techno music to this slide? You would likely need some serious Tylenol or want to smash your computer. Have you ever listened to or watched a commercial and had no clue what was being advertised because you were so distracted by either the music or some image? This can be wasted time and money for the advertiser. Teachers need to avoid falling into the same trap. Time with our students is precious, so teachers need to make sure it is utilized to the fullest. To further avoid incidental processing caused by unnecessary music, images, or videos, signaling can help the learner stay focused by stressing keywords in boldface or using arrows to point out parts of an image. I guess the best I can offer as far as a summary of this is to market your subject content like a great business would market its product.